like that.
Yeah, that's it.
See, look how it burns now.
Nice, man.
Get my brew.
It's hot, eh?
Yeah, it's because the crucible's not lined properly, that's why the flame's coming
Yeah,
out.
that's a makeshift crucible though.
Yeah, that,
Put it more in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, fuck it.
Careful.
Yeah, you see, it's not level. Because this gas is, this plastic bag is cut for the furnace. Yeah, give me that, I'll hold it.
There we go.
Yeah, see, now it's going around.
Yeah, much better. Much better, eh?
Yeah, you see, now it's circulating around it.
Now the copper's in a melt cocoa.
But like that.
Eh?
See, now the flame's going right around, check it. Because it's more or less
Yeah,
in
it's
the
perfect.
center. See, now the...
Put some out. There we go. Be careful, it's hot, eh? So that's not hot. It's
Fuck it, I can't
this
scoop
one.
it. Right here.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. That's aluminium and copper mixed together. Wow, lekker, eh? And that was done with our little backyard foundry furnace. Awesome. Too bad that it doesn't look great, but it does the job. Thank you. Bye bye.